Hi, today I am going to discuss about when should we use file separator and file path separator. So let's we understand using example. Currently, I create one string instance and add, u- add file separator and demo. Here file separator we can use here. It is a separate character. It is also platform dependent. So it is used for preparing path. Here I add four windows. It is a backward slash, and when we have Unix, then it is considered forward slashes. Now I add one SOP here and print out this part. Let's see. It is now here. What happened here? C colon, and when we use file separator, then it is add one separator character. Is a backward slash. So that is a usage of the file separator. And now next is file path separator. Now I again take one str instance of string and here add demo. Again I add one another MySQL. I again add one another path MariaDB. So in a str number of path I added using semicolon. So main purpose of path separator is it is a splitter splitting all the part. Now I again take one string array and str split files path separator. So if we have Windows system, then it should be considered path separator as a semicolon. And if we have Unix system, that it is considered path separator is a colon. Now I here add one for loop, advanced for loop for better understanding string path separator and I iterate this array. I add one SOP here and path separator I add here. Now I run this file. Now we can see here, see demo, MySQL and MariaDB. So in str three paths is available. So if we have Windows system, then if this way we can splitting all the path using path separator.